Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have Audi A8 and this car have a problem in air suspension. So today I will show you in this car where is the air suspension fuse. Okay, I will show you where is the air suspension motor fuse location. Okay, see here, remove your trunk. Okay, and then find your book. Here you can see one fuse box which is fuse list for luggage compartment. See, remove this cover. There is a fuse box, and here you can check adaptive air suspension number 3, which is number 3, this one. See, okay, and then there is another one. Here you can see fuse carrier D, number 5, adaptive air suspension D number 5. That means A B C D 1 2 3 4 5 15 number. This is also okay. See, okay. Here you can find in your car and inside this car book. Okay, thank you.